What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we picked up the Nike Ambush Dunk Highs to add to the collection. With this being our very first Dunk Highs, we're excited to show you guys how it's gonna look on feet with multiple outfits, so stick around to the end of the video. And with the sneaker having this Batman twist and a high fashion look to it, it also looks like an Air Jordan 1 as well. It's really gonna be interesting to style on feet, so you guys want to stick around to the end of the video. The sneaker comes in this black matte Nike pull-out box with Nike in this glossy lettering on the top and Ambush on the side. We picked up the sneaker in a size 8.5 and we're gonna talk more about the sizing. My first impression when I got the sneaker out of the box is it has a lot of rubber details that I didn't expect. The swoosh is made entirely of rubber, and it has this extended crown that goes past like the regular details on the sneaker, and it has this ambush detail on the back, which is made entirely of rubber, and it really pop at you. So it also has extended pieces, which makes it very different from your typical Dunk.
And it also has this unfinished tongue, which reminds me of that off-white design. And when you move to the outsole of the sneaker, which is made out of white, I think it's gonna get really dirty, so that's just one thing.
Nike and Ambush have done collaborations in the past, and they did a collaboration on a women's sneaker, which was a newer silhouette, but they switched up and went with Dunks now, because I think Dunks are gaining traction as we move into 2021. And this is not your typical Dunk. This is a Dunk High, and it has like, it looks like an Air Jordan 1. But I really like the swoosh. The swoosh is really unique. To be completely honest, I think the cut's even higher than the Jordan 1, which gives it that high fashion look to the sneaker. I actually think this Dunk High is very comfortable compared to an Air Jordan 1, because I think they use like that Nike free insole in it, and overall the cut just makes it hugs to your foot a lot better than your Air Jordan 1. We decided to go down to half the size because the sneaker fits a lot longer than your typical Air Jordan 1 as well, or Dunk. So we decided to go down to half the size. But I think you could go true to size if you want as well. Now, as Nike comes out with newer collaborations on the Dunks, it's making the Dunks silhouette really popular, and it's gonna continue because this one is a simple collaboration, but they did a collaboration recently with Concepts, and that one has like a really unique twist with the baseball theme on those, and it has like this small detail swoosh, which really makes the sneaker pop. And the themes on Dunks is gonna be the really focal point when it comes to this sneaker.
Now, since the sneaker has this high fashion look, we're gonna keep that same energy when it comes to styling it, and we're gonna pick out like high fashion pieces that accentuate the silhouette, and also like vintage pieces as well to really bring out the silhouette. Now, we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. Before we show you guys how the sneaker look on feet, please guys go ahead and leave a like on this video because it really helps the channel, and please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video.
And guys, make sure you go down in the comments and drop a comment. Tell us which outfit you guys liked in the on feet. And until then, guys,
we'll see you guys in our next video.